Hello everybody, this is Mr. Bowman. Today we're going to be looking at the ALEKS topic, factoring a perfect square trinomial with leading coefficient 1. So, a perfect square trinomial is just a special type of trinomial, and the main special thing is its answer. So, it is still a trinomial. You can use any of the normal trinomial methods to solve this, and that's honestly what I'm going to do, because sometimes trying to figure out if it's a perfect square trinomial is more work than just factoring it normally. So, especially when the coefficient's 1. Because when my coefficient's 1, regardless of what type of trinomial it is, I'm looking for two numbers that multiply to the end and add up to the middle. So what are two numbers multiply to 64 and add up to 16? Well, that's 8 and 8. So this just breaks down to w plus 8 times w plus 8. And since it tells me it's a perfect square trinomial, I can check really easily if I'm right, because what a perfect square trinomial is a trinomial that you get from squaring a binomial. So these have to be exactly the same. They are, which means I'm correct. So always a good idea to double check. You can multiply them out to make sure you get that. But that's just the general way. If it, like this one, tells you it's a perfect square trinomial, all you have to do is take the square root of the first part. So let me show you how to do it when it tells you. So the square root of the first part, which is w, the square root of the last part's 8, and we want the sign from the middle, which is plus, which means this factors into w plus 8 squared. So if you know it's a perfect square trinomial, you can do that. Instead, either way, you'll get the same answer.